a child in plain sight.
Okay. You got us. Here we are. Here's the kid. I'll cooperate. But before you take us away, I have one thing to say.
Be a good girl, okay?
Far enough, James.
She's home now. Just leave her alone.
I can't do that. She's seen too much. You both have.
It doesn't have to be this way.
I have no choice. Times have changed. Scaring isn't enough anymore.
But kidnapping children?
I'll kidnap 1,000 children before I let this company die. And
Oh,
I'll
crap.
silence anyone who gets in my way.
No!
Good night, Mom. Good night, sweetheart. Good night, Mom. Good night, Mom. Simulation terminated. Simulation terminated.
Well, I don't know about the rest of you guys, but I spotted several big mistakes.
But how did... How
You know
did...
what? Let's watch my favorite part again.
I'll kidnap 1,000 children before I let this company die. I'll kidnap 1,000 children before I let this company die. I'll kidnap 1,000 children before I let this company die.
I'll get him. All right.
Stop right there!
Take your hands off it. You can't arrest me. I hope you're happy, Sullivan. You destroyed this company. Monsters Incorporated is dead. Where will everyone get their screams now? The energy crisis will only get worse because of you.